Yo, what up, guys? What's going on? I know it's been a long time, but we're on our way right now actually to pick up my boy Joao, and then from there we're going straight to pick up the Civic. We're working on it actually right now as we speak to get the final touches done. Everything should be done already by the time we get there. They showed me what they were doing yesterday, and everything was good. So I'm waiting for tomorrow. I'm waiting to get over there. Gotta go to Yonkers and see how this bad boy looks. Did everything that I wanted, so pretty fucking excited. Time has finally come. So let's go now pick up my boy Joao and then continue from there. Alright, with my boy Joao. We just got to the spot right now. We're about to see the finished product. Yo. I'm looking for Ben Welds. Who? Ben Welds. Steven. Yo, this is my boy Joao. Joao, this is Ben. Steven also. It's good, bro.
This thing needs a wash.
Car's finished. Guys, Joao went in on this with Ben. Bro, this shit is crazy. I gotta just get the you know what thing I'm gonna do? The other thing is I'm gonna have to figure out now where to get. I'm gonna have to get the size of, cause you said with the thread, you said the thread wasn't the same size, right? As the ones that I have inside.
Actually, I didn't try the threads. Actually, we could try that right now.
Alright, look at this fucking masterpiece, bro. This shit is just, bro. Oh my god, I gotta just. This is from the old plate right here. So they made another plate. They made it perfect to fill in the hole that I had already here. This was where the old plate was at. So soon I gotta get like a new bumper. But everything else, look at this. Everything is so good. Got the old 2 cents right here. Got the blowout valve. Waste gate is connected with the lines. I just need to get this line and tee it into the one of the lines over here. They did the threading for the turbo. The boost solenoid is, can I see it? Yeah. The boost solenoid, nah, you can't see it. It's like back there. Yeah, but everything is good. Everything is ready to go. I'm gonna just run a line out. I'm gonna put this one in the back for the line. In the meantime, yeah, we should be ready to go. These are the guys behind the masterpiece. My guy Ben, aka Steven.
Okay.
Joao. Bro, this shit came out so fucking good. The vacuum lines are already like running through here. Bro, this is so fire, bro.
No, that's the clutch.
Huh?
That's the clutch. That's the
Yeah,
wrap
that's
like
like
that.
the fucking alternator.
Go ahead, try it. No, you said it was open.
Whoa, whoa, boy. It might be all the way shut. He tuned it with the open port, so you know with the open port is gonna pull vacuum from outside, so the idle's gonna stay up high. I never mess with the idle screw. So I told him to get the flathead and try to open it. That way, when it'll open up to suck more air out from the outside. Cause I never mess with it. That's why it's dying. That's why with the open port, it stood on no matter what. Mess with the idle screw. See if it stays out of the line. I never mess with the idle screw when he painted the base map. I never mess with it. And with the open port, it just pulls air from the outside like a big ass vacuum, so it kept the idle up. Now that we close it, it has no air coming in from the outside, so the RPM is just gonna drop. It'll probably die, watch. Yeah, see?
It's not staying on?
I never mess with the thing, with the idle screw. Opportunity, you need a Civic. You want to eat.
Yeah, but it wasn't doing that though.
Yeah, because remember, the port in the back was already open.
Well, I opened it though.
Nah, but it's still mad small. Look how small that was. The port that I had before, you saw how big it was? It was like
Oh,
that
but
big.
it was open on the other end?
It was open on the other end. There was nothing there. And I never messed with the idle.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, how you gonna bend over in front of him like that?
You said it's for the vlog. It's for the vlog.
Open them up. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. I like to enjoy my shit, you know me? So, man, as long as my body is
As
mint.
long as it still looks good.
Yeah, like
Okay,
my body
man.
and everything is still
He said, look at that belly. He said my body mint. My nigga Steven fat.
I gotta get that side square painted, the other side square painted.
Once
Where he's gonna be.
I got a call, he's in the hospital.
All about that shit.
Yeah, I can't wait till you're doing a two-step or a nice
Oh, that shit gonna
burnout.
be like that.
Yeah. It's gonna look crazy.
God damn. Yo, you fucking killed it, bro.
That's slow.
Nigga, this is no slow.
Yo, he's never driven a twin disc. Go, 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 go. Try, try. Now push it all the way down. Push it all the way down. The clutch. Now go into first. Now go. Give it gas. Bro.
Yo, fuck this car.
You see? Nah, that's crazy.
Nah.
Nah, that's crazy. Nah, that's a twin disc. That's why. Feel his. Feel his clutch. Just get in his car and just step on the clutch. It's like yours. Now get in his and just push down on the clutch.
The Beamer guy here?
Nah, bro. This feels like a Beamer.
This is like nothing.
Cause this is a stock clutch. Watch.
I feel like that.
Cause that's that's two clutches basically. It's literally two clutches. Now that one is just like an OEM basic. See?
Yeah.
He said, ah.
It feels normal. Right? Once you tap that, like, yeah.
Ryan Little.
Steven Joel. That's crazy, right? Steven Joel. You ready? Got this?
Yeah.
Good. Say what you gotta say. Say it to the camera. No. I just said, for him to get in contact with you is impossible. Yo, hey. No phone on. Look at that. Why? Bro, because I'm working over here. Nah. I don't want to get distracted. See, now, what if Joel's dying? He needs your help. Smoke sickness. He knows how to. That's crazy. I was saying that it's possible to get in contact. Yo, but I don't even got my phone just to show you. I feel it. It's probably ringing. Nah, that shit on silent right now. Nah. I've never heard this nigga's phone ring once.
If I'm... He got you on Do Not Disturb.
That's crazy. Wow. You just lost. Bro, that's a huge bus. That's like a double articulated bus. Boom, boom. Look at there's another first responder here, yo. Jay. Bring me back to life, bro. I think it's stupid. CPR on me. Nigga never got his phone. Last time I came over, his phone was like, I don't even know where my phone is at, bro. Yo, but
bro.
see, it's not like, oh.
All day he's been like, what?
Yo, hold on. I don't even got my watch with me. You feel me? Crazy. Good God. I'm just trying to make everybody happy, man. You're not making me happy by not picking up my phone, bro. Alright guys, we're heading back home. The base map is not all that good right now because of everything that the car has now, the turbo kit and everything. So it's a little boggy and stuff. But we're getting home. And I have an issue also where the vacuum port, the car got a base map on when the back of the manifold port was open. So it got tuned with the idle being at like 1.5. I closed the port now to put the push lock fitting to the blow valve. The car does not stay on. So I had to take it out again and leave the line open. And right now it idles a tiny bit, but it keeps shutting off on me. So I just spoke to the tuner, well to the Jeff, the guy that did my base map. And he said he's gonna look over it. And make the car idle a little bit better and then drive a little bit better because right now it's a little boggy. Again, I did a base map with nothing on. Now that the intercooler piping, everything is connected, it's gonna drive a lot different. So highway-wise, it's fine. It drives good. But like when I'm driving slow and on local, it just starts like bogging and stuff like that. And the car keeps turning off because it's not holding idle. So you gotta fix the idle. You gotta pick up the idle and let it idle a little bit better. So that's the issue right now. But I'm heading home. So still got like another 40 minutes of driving with this shit bogging and going crazy and turning off and all this shit. But yeah, like it just turned off right now. So now just put it into gear, pop the clutch, let it turn back on. It's only when a car car stops. Well, it stops and it's about to stop. So, but yeah, we're on the highway right now. Got 40 minutes left. The car came out amazing. I cannot wait to actually get the car like fully dialed in and stuff like that, and then go from there. I'm gonna leave the car dirty. I'm gonna take it to my boy's house. He does detailing, stuff like that. He's gonna wash it and fix like the scratches that I have on the hood from the fiberglass and stuff like that. And yeah, it should be good. So I'm on my way home right now. Thank God the sun went down. It's not too hot right now. And yeah, see you guys when I get home. Actually, I'll probably get some like little rolls, some little clips rolling and stuff. Keep shutting off on me. Drives good though. I got into like probably like a pound of boost by accident. Not even probably. It has a boost cut. I was just trying to pick up speed. And now that everything is on and shit, it's boosted now for sure. So, but yeah, I wish I was able to show you guys more stuff. But they have the car already there, ready. But probably when I get home, I'll show you guys like where the piping and all that stuff is at. I got one pipe from the throttle body all the way to the intercooler, which is amazing because I don't have to be messing with couplers and all that shit. So I'm good. But yeah, I'm almost home. I'm like probably 30 minutes away. Look, the car just shut off on me again. Gotta love it. What up, guys? I'm just gonna be closing out the video. I'm here with the car right now. Just wanted to close out the video. Tell you guys, thank you guys again for watching. I know you guys don't really be watching like my normal vlog and stuff, which was the vlog that I put up with my daughter going to Disney World. But it's fine. I know you guys like car related stuff. But I'm back. So car's here. And this video, well, the next video you guys are gonna see, I'm gonna be doing the I'm gonna be cleaning the tires, doing tire leather, doing all that good stuff. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, build to enjoy. Stay tuned, guys. Peace out. Oh guys, please make sure you leave a like. It does a lot for me. Put my videos back out in the algorithm. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna be vlogging on this camera anymore. This camera is good, but is that like if I take a step, like I take a step and it just shakes. Like I'm not. You guys be saying that the camera's like shaky, but it's like I'm literally just walking normal, and the camera just be like, it just be like shaking. Like there's no stabilizer here. So I just ordered the new iPhone, which you guys know, I don't know if you guys know, but they have like a built-in stabilizer, action mode, has all that shit. So I think I'm gonna be vlogging again off of my iPhone, because that camera is fucking insane. Cinematic mode, everything. So might be time to put this camera down and then later on invest in like a better camera. I don't know, but yeah, stay tuned for the next video, guys. Peace out.